Good morning, this is Evinar Matthews
and Ajina CA from class 9 with the school news.
News headlines. Online class started. Teachers' Day celebration. Flowers Day celebration. Results of competition conducted by Max Club. National Essay Writing, Handwriting and Coloring Contest 2021. Sports News. Admission started for KG classes.
News in details. St. Anne's were back to online classes on September 1st after the Onam holidays. Classes 1 and 2 also started their online classes from September 1st onwards, which was a new experience for them.
Teachers' Day celebration. September 5th, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first Vice President and second President of Independent India, is celebrated as Teachers' Day.
St. John's Visitation Public School, Muppatharam, celebrated Teachers' Day virtually under the leadership of Sister Litty Xavier and Class 10 students. Our Superior Mother General, Reverend Mother Teresa Charles, inaugurated the day celebration and greeted teachers.
School Principal, Reverend Sister Rosmi Anthony, delivered a message. Teachers were honored by rose flowers. Students and parent representatives and ex-St. John's greeted the teachers. Students from various classes performed variety programs to make the celebration more colorful.
Flowers Day was celebrated on September 6th. Sarah Ma'am and Jinsi Ma'am made the day meaningful and wonderful by arranging multiplicity of programs from smaller classes. That was a platform for the students to exhibit their talents in the form of speech, dance, flower making and word about different flowers. Message was delivered by Soumya Ma'am.
All makes food tasty. Good health I bring you daily. My all makes food tasty. Good health I bring you daily. Sunny, 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 sunflowers. Yellow, 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 sunflowers. Sunny, 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 sunflowers.
Max Club has organized various competitions on 11th and 18th September 2021. For the quiz competition category 3, that is classes 6, 7 and 8. Juvan J. Casper of class 6th B, Adina Justin of class 6th B and Heaven Babu of class 7th B scored first, second and third positions respectively.
Rifa Bint Riyas of 3rd B, Samir Zain of 3rd A and Soumya P.S. of 3rd B obtained first, second and third position accordingly for category 2, that is classes 3, 4 and 5 for model making of 3D shapes.
Category 4, that is classes 9th and 10th. Ajina CA of class 9, Archana Vijay of class 10, Anok Saju of class 10 secured first, second and third positions.
And for paper puppet making, category 1, that is classes 1 and 2. Safa Fatima Amir from 2nd A got first position, Muhammad Fazeen VS from 1st B got second position and Haya Sara KS from 1st A and Muhammad Fahaz AA from 2nd C shared third prize.
Here is an opportunity for students to exhibit their excellence in essay writing, handwriting and coloring contest. Students Development Society is conducting National Essay Writing, Handwriting and Coloring Contest 2021. Essay competition is conducted group-wise. Each group is given 2 topics. Students can write an essay on any one topic in English or Hindi language.
Group 1, that is classes 1 and 2, topic is My School or Myself. Group 2, that is classes 3 and 4, topic is My Family or My House. Group 3, that is classes 5 to 7, topic is India at 75 years or Challenges of Climate Change. Group 4, that is classes 8 to 10, topic is My Idea of a Happy Life or Importance of National Integration. Attractive cash prizes are awaiting for you Interested students can participate.
For handwriting competition, KG students can write English or Hindi alphabets. Classes 1 to 10 can write pledge, India is my country or Bharat Mera Desh hai, or write any favorite meaningful paragraph 10 to 15 lines in English or Hindi. For coloring competition, classes KG to 10 are divided into 3 groups. Pictures will be given to each group for coloring.
Kalabharati Institute is also arranging National Drawing and Handwriting Competition. Those interested students can avail it. Winners are awarded with silver medals.
Sports news. India won 19 medals at Tokyo Paralympics. 5 golds, 8 silvers and 6 bronze. Shooter Avni Lekhar became the first Indian woman to win 2 Paralympics medals.
Tokyo 2020, scheduled on 24th August to 5th September 2021, was India's best ever Paralympics.
Admission for Celestial Kids World KG section for the year 2022-23 started. For further information, you can contact school office. That's all from the news desk.
Have a great day.